when you feel forgotten by God. Isaiah 49 verses 15 and 16. The word of the Lord says, "Can a mother forget the baby at her breast and have no compassion on the child he has born? Though she may forget, I will not forget you. See, I have engraved you on the palms of my hands." One of the most painful season in life is when you feel like heaven is silent and your heart quietly asks, "Has God forgotten me?" Mga igsoon, let's be real. There are times when we feel unseen and overlooked by God. We keep on praying, we keep obeying, we keep holding on, pero murag wala gihapon. No doors are opening, no answers are coming, and no change is happening sa imong kinabuhi. And we begin to wonder, Lord, kahinumdum ka pa ba? Nako, you are not alone in that feeling. Even in the Bible, the people of God experience this kind of pain, especially during times of exiles, time of silence, or even delay sa ilahang sitwasyon. The book of Isaiah is full of both warnings and hope. In Isaiah chapter 49, God speaks to his people while they are in exile. They are far from home, far from freedom, and feeling forgotten. In verse 14, the people cried out, "The Lord has forsaken me. The Lord has forgotten me." This was not just a passing emotion. It was deep discouragement tungod sa ilahang situation. They were saying, if God really loves us, why are we still suffering? If God sees us, why are we still in this dark place? But listen to how God responds. He said, "Can a mother forget her nursing child? Even if she could, I will not forget you. I have engraved you in the palm of my hands." God uses the image of a mother and her baby, one of the most powerful human bonds, to show how deep his care is. But then he says, even if a mother forgets, I will not forget you. Why? Because our name, your pain are engraved on his hands. Today, I want to share 3 truths to remember when you feel forgotten. First, God never forgets what he formed. The same God who created you will never abandon you. Psalm 139 says, reminds us that God knit us together in our mother's womb. That means before anyone saw you, He already knew you. And if He created you with care, He won't forget you in your crisis. Mga igsuon, kung siya ang nagsugod sa imong kinabuhi, siya pud ang mupadayon o mupatuman niini. Ikaduha, God hides you not to forget you, but to prepare you. Sometimes we mistake silence for absence, but in truth, silence is often part of preparation. Just like a seed hidden under the soil, we may feel buried, but God is actually building something. He allows hidden seasons not to harm us, but to grow our roots deeper. Now, think of Joseph. For years, he was forgotten in prison, but God was not finished. That delay was a preparation for a greater position, not just for him, but to save others as well. So if God is hiding you, it doesn't mean He has forgotten about you. It means He's preparing you for something that your present cannot yet contain. Basin karon wala pa nimo makita ang bunga, pero ang Ginoo kabalo sa tanang detalye sa imong kinabuhi. Trust the process even in silence. Third, you are not waiting alone. You are waiting with a purpose. God's delay is never a sign of disinterest. It's often a setup for a greater fulfillment than you could ever imagine. In Isaiah chapter 49 verse 16, God says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. The word engrave in Hebrew is not light or casual. It's permanent. It's painful. And above all, it was intentional. And it points us to something greater. On the cross, Jesus stretched out his hands and they were pierced. That's where your name is. That's where your worth is. And that's how God proved He will never forget you. You are not forgotten, mga igsoon. You are forever marked by love. God's love. So when you're tempted to give up in the waiting, remember this. You are not just waiting for a breakthrough. You are holding onto a blood-sealed promise. Mga igsoon, feelings come and go, but God's truth stays the same. If you are in a season where you feel overlooked, delayed, or invisible, take heart. God sees you. God hears you. God remembers every prayer, every tear, every step of faith you made in secret. Kung hilom ang langit, panalipod siguro na. Kung wala pa'y tubag, basin dili pa panahon. As Charles Spurgeon said, when you cannot trace His hand, trust His heart. So mga igsoon, keep walking, keep worshiping, keep waiting. Because the God who formed you, the God who hides you, and the God who engraved you has never and will never forget you. God bless everyone.